Hello, my name is Seung-kyung Choi. I am the Doctoral Program Director of the iSchool. Receiving a PhD degree entails years of hard work and perseverance, and we train our PhD students along this intellectual journey. They work side by side with our faculty, they take classes to learn the field of information studies, and they master the research methodology of their choice. They conduct a series of ambitious research projects with increasing levels of independence, culminating in their PhD dissertation. Eventually, our PhD students become experts of their specialized areas of interest, and by this point, we grant them a doctoral degree. Today, I'm very happy to present two doctoral candidates, Priya Kumar and Kim Glasgow, who embarked on a major undertaking, the PhD journey, many years ago. Both of them were advised by our faculty, Associate Professor Dr. Jessica Vita.
Hello, my name is Jessica Vitak, and I am excited to introduce you today to our two newest doctors, both of whom defended their dissertations during the spring 2021 semester. First, I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Priya Kumar, who I've been working with since she first started at the iSchool back in 2016. Dr. Kumar's dissertation is titled From Oversharing to Sharenting: How Experts Govern Parents and Their Social Media Use, and in it she explores the discourse around parents sharing pictures, videos, and other content about their children over social media. She asks the question, how does power, manifesting as expertise, work through discourse to regulate parents' social media use? And she studies this across three environments. First, through an analysis of how posts on the popular blog STFU Parents frame and problematize the issue. Second, through an analysis of how news media frames parenting as a risk to children. And third, through an analysis of how academic researchers frame the problem. Across these three studies, Dr. Kumar highlights how parenting practices are framed in terms of parents' responsibility, and they generally ignore the fact that much of our online sharing practices are governed by other people and other systems. She plans to continue research in this space by focusing on developing a deeper understanding of how privacy operates when our everyday behaviors are datafied. And I'm excited to say that she will be doing this future research at Penn State University, where she starts in their iSchool this fall. Second, I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Kimberly Glasgow, who's been working on her PhD part-time for most of the last decade, and who I've been working with since around 2014. Her dissertation is titled, Talking About Justice: Predicting Actor Engagement on Social Media After a Galvanizing Event. In it, she explores how justice discourse is expressed on Twitter. Specifically, she considers the death of Freddie Gray in Baltimore and Tamir Rice in Cleveland at the hands of police, and she evaluates how local communities responded to these galvanizing events. Pulling from datasets of millions of tweets, Dr. Glasgow first built a classifier to identify justice-related content, then used logistic regressions to identify the extent to which certain identity and Twitter and network-related variables can predict sustained engagement in justice-related discourse. So this is discourse that continues well beyond the galvanizing event. This research is important not just for understanding how Twitter can be a tool in a social justice movement such as Black Lives Matter, but more broadly, how technology can play a role in supporting civic engagement. Dr. Glasgow will continue in her role as a senior staff member at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Lab, and this degree is a testament to her dedication to computational social science research of the highest degree. Congratulations to both of you.
Priya and Kim, we are so proud of you, and we can't wait to see what comes next for you. We have finally reached the moment you have all been waiting for, and we are here to grant you a doctoral degree. Dimar Zulu, I present to you the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Information Studies, and attest that each candidate has fulfilled all requirements for the degree.
By the authority vested in me by the Board of Regents of the University of Maryland, I now confer upon each of you the degree, as appropriate, with all rights and privileges thereof. Congratulations.